we'll start now. The first case on the docket is State versus Neil Lynch. It's 2015-333. Mr. Lynch is charged with forgery in the second degree. Good morning, Mr. Lynch. I have appointed the Public Defender's Office to represent you. You're appearing here for an arraignment.
Your Honor, I've gone over the charges with my client. We will waive arraignment, enter a plea of not guilty on his behalf.
Very well, I'll enter that plea of not guilty. When will we be having pretrials, Uni?
December 10th.
December 10th.
Judge, if we could be heard briefly on the bond.
Okay. Go ahead, sir.
Your Honor, Mr. Lynch is a resident of Ozark, Arkansas, and according to the information that I've provided in the court file, that's where the alleged incident actually originated. He's a lifelong resident of the area and has zero criminal history whatsoever. He was arrested recently in his hometown and then brought up here from Ozark County. I believe the bond right now is $2,500. It's a little bit out of reach for him at this point in time. We had asked that the court give him a $1,000 surety bond to reassure his appearance before this court.
Your Honor, the specific find in there is that this man is charged with using his mother's, I guess one of his parents' credit cards to steal the Dish Network, I guess, or to get them to pay for it. The total amount taken, I think, is going to be about $320 or something. So a $1,000 bond is fine.
Bond be set at $1,000. Reappear on December 10th at 10 o'clock. You'll need to make an appointment to visit with the Public Defender's Office, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. State versus Tyler Hudgens. Residential burglary, breaking or entering, theft, criminal mischief, drug paraphernalia. Sir, I've appointed the Public Defender's Office to represent you, and is he appearing for an arraignment?
He is, Your Honor. I have gone over the charges with Mr. Hudgens and explained him what he is charged with. We will waive arraignment, enter a plea of not guilty, and like to be heard on bond.
Okay. Go ahead, sir.
Your Honor, Mr. Hudgens is a lifelong resident of Baxter County. I believe his bond, with no prior felony convictions, I believe his bond right now is $50,000. I believe that a vast reduction in that is appropriate in this case, to the tune of maybe $5,000 surety bond to reassure his appearance.
State, these charges stem from about 19 separate incidents of this gentleman performing about, you can see from the bookings, Your Honor, these are residential burglaries. There's 2 counts. Breaking and entering are 19 counts, and there are 15 counts of thefts of property. Your Honor, in addition, we have people that are coming and identifying property that's been taken. This gentleman will probably be charged multiple more times as people come in and are able to identify things that have been taken that they don't even realize have been stolen. So I would ask you to leave the bond right where it's at.
Does he have priors that you know of?
In Izard County.
Izard.
And I believe those people are making plans. Where's Terry Johnson? I think those folks are making plans to come over and look at some of that stuff.
He's been convicted of a felony.
Your Honor, we have 3 more charges that are going to be filed. We think.
Judge,
I don't
perhaps
want
it's
this man to bond out and simply just get rearrested.
Right, I don't want him to either. Perhaps we should set this on Judge Webb's docket for review of the bond in a couple of weeks.
Yeah, that'd probably be better than things maybe can stabilize
Yes,
at
Your Honor.
least. November 19th is when he... November 19th
Thank
at
you, Your Honor.
9, is that right?
I'll explain that to Mr. Hudgens, Your Honor.
Okay.
Thank you.
Sean
Yes,
Ford
sir.
again, 15-329, domestic battery.
Your Honor, Mr. Ford apparently has been arraigned. I guess he's just here today to get on your scheduling docket.
Okay.
Well, there's no further action to take today.
Your Honor, there's already been a scheduling order issued.
That's right, isn't it?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Let me see when his next appearance, it may not have made it to the file yet, but anyway, there's an order out there.
12/10.
12/10, okay.